Good morning, children. Hope you are following all the videos and you are in update with the notes. Till now, I have said you to make simultaneous notes and refer the textbook. I hope you have done the work. So, if any problem, if any doubts, you can ask me. Let us see some of the examples. Example 2.1. So calculate the angle of 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second. So we have to convert it into a standard unit. What is the standard unit of angle? It is radians. So we have to convert all these three into radians. So this is a protractor. You know that this is 180 degrees equal to pi radians. That is equal to pi radians. So here you can see this is a small one division is nothing but 1 degree. So if you have a still smaller angle, then it is said to be 1 minute. So how 1 degree is further divided into 60 divisions, and after that one small division is called to be 1 minute. And if we want to measure still smaller angle, that is then 1 minute is again divided into 60 divisions, and one division is called as 1 second. So how is the conversion now? 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes because it is divided into 60 divisions. Next, 1 second is equal to how much? 60 minutes. So this is the interrelation. So minute is also called as minute of arc, second is also called as second of arc, arc second. These are the angle. So which is the bigger one here? 1 degree is bigger than 1 minute. So 1 minute is again bigger than 1 second. So you see the notations what we use. This is for degree, 1 dash for minute and double dash for second. Now we have to convert. We know that 360 degrees is nothing but 2 pi radians. So what is 1 degree corresponds to? Then cross multiplication and find the calculate and find this. So 1 degree is equal to what? We have got this is the radians. Pi value, you know, it is equal to 22 by 7, or you write it as 3.14. So this is answer. We have got 1 degree is equal to this much radian. This next task is how much is 1 minute is equal to radian. Okay, so what is the relation we know between degree and minute? So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That is by answer we have just now we have found the answer is 1.745 10 to the power minus 2 radian. Now we'll write it again. 60 minute is nothing but this much radian. So 1 minute is how much radian? Cross multiplication and you will find the answer. That is nothing but what? 1 minute is equal to this much radian. That is also is equal to what? 60 seconds. Now easily we can find 1 second is equal to how much? So 60 second is nothing but what? 1 minute. The answer just now what we have got, that you have to write here. And 1 second is equal to corresponds to what? Cross multiplication and you will find the answer as 1 second is equal to this much radians. Okay. So this is how the relation was and interconversion is. The same line, example, let us look at the example 2.3. The moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B. Here is the moon, two diametrically opposite A and B on Earth. The angle theta subtended at the moon by the two direction of observation is, this theta is given as 1 degree 54 minute. Given the diameter of the Earth to be about the diameter, this is the diameter of the Earth, it is given as this much. Compute the distance of the moon from the Earth. So this is what, this is the application that we have found to measure the distance of long distance, or how far a planet is from the Earth. So for that we have a formula, that is diameter, that is distance we have to find. Distance is equal to b by theta. B is basis by theta. This is the basis. Basis here is diameter of the Earth. Diameter of the Earth is given and divided by angle subtended. Theta is equal to, theta is 1 degree 54 minutes. So we have to make it into standard unit, that is radian. So first what we know, 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 54 minutes is 114 minute. Then what is 1 minute corresponds to? Just now you see what is 1 minute corresponds to radians and multiply by that much radian. So just calculate and find the answer. In the same way, we have example 2.4. Here, the given thing is the sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 second. The distance d of the sun from the earth is given. Distance d of the sun from the earth is given. What is the diameter of the sun? So here diameter of the sun we have to find, that is equal to alpha d. So you have to just refer the old notes and you find what is small d, what is alpha, what is capital D. Okay, shall we say it again? Alpha is the angle subtended, and what is capital D and small d? Capital D is the distance between the moon and earth, or planet and earth, and small d is the basis. So here we have to substitute small d is equal to alpha into capital D. You will get the answer. Now let us go to the example 2.2. So what it is said, a man wants to find the height of a tower. He is looking first from the point A, and he looks at the tower, and then he goes 100 meter away from the point and reaches point B and looks again at the tower C. So he finds there is a shift in the position of the tower when he changes his position. So that is called as parallax. We know it. The parallax angle is given as theta is equal to 40 degree. Apply this tan theta. Tan theta is what? Opposite by base. Opposite is AB divided by base is AC. So what we are interested in finding? Height of the tower. So that is nothing but AC. So AC we want. So take it below AB by tan theta. So AB is nothing but 100 meters and theta is 40 degree. So just substitute this and calculate. You will get height of the tower. I hope this is clear. Now, so in the last live class, we have seen common practical units. What is light year? What is angstrom? One astronomical unit, and many more we have seen. So I hope you have written what the definitions of it, the values of it, by referring the textbook which I had told you. So now, among those practical unit, one more is parsec, which is related to angle. So what is it called? It is the largest practical unit of distance used in astronomy. It is defined as the distance at which an arc of length, one astronomical unit, subtends an angle of 1 second of arc. So maybe a little bit mm, not easy to digest. So I'll explain again. So this is the one astronomical unit. What is astronomical unit? The average distance between sun and earth is called as one astronomical unit. So what is the angle here? 1 second of arc. That is 1 sec is the angle. So this is definition. What is the definition? This is the distance at which an arc of 1 second, an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second of arc. So here it should be 1 astronomical unit and here it is 1 second. Then what is the distance here? That we have to calculate. So we know that angle theta is arc length divided by radius, L by R. So radius is L by theta. So that radius is nothing but 1 parsec is equal to arc length is 1 astronomical unit divided by theta is 1 second. If you substitute all this, we get this is the answer. 1 parsec is equal to this much and it is equal to 3.26 light year. So which was left in the PowerPoint presentation which I have added now. So all these things you will write in your notebook and keep it update.